Put it in your mouth, Mama. Put it in your mouth. Here, I'll help you. Here, put it right here. I know, put it right here. Thank you, sweetie. Put it in your hand like that. Now put it in your mouth. Here you go. You were doing it earlier. Come on. Go. Put it in your mouth. Your camera shy, Mama? Muérdele bien. Muérdele bien. Here, eat one for Daddy. Eat one for Daddy. Show Daddy how you eat the starfish. Show him. Show him. Eat the starfish like Elise. You did it!